In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or adjust the cursor speed on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the launcher icon down in the system taskbar, and then go up and select settings. And now on the left side underneath settings, you want to select device, and then underneath device, select mouse. And you can adjust the cursor acceleration by toggling this on or off, and then you can adjust the speed to the right or left here. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.